Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can create 2022 photos recap using CapCut PC. So first one, select your video and set the duration to 4 seconds like this, and then you can add as many of your photos in 2022 as possible and set the duration to 0 0.1 second. And just think this photos is a different photos, so you can also add the audio or effect or a transition here, so you can see the result. Okay, just simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video is helpful for you guys, don't forget to click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.